Presenting a pre-owned 2012 GMC Yukon SLE. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 227,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.